If you're like me, the subjects and matter I'm going to be discussing in this video and upcoming videos will appear to be inconceivably crazy and sound flat out like hogwash. And that's how I felt when I first started doing this research decades ago. Then I found that there were threads of what appeared to be truth being woven throughout all the different sources that I came across. Now I feel that I'm beginning to see the light and understand and learn those truths for myself. And I have this very strong need and desire to share with everyone what I've learned and what I'm still learning. All the others that are out there searching for answers to understanding everything like I was and still am. To start with, I wish to name many of the sources from which I'll be sharing and or plagiarizing information in this series of videos. In no particular order, they'd be my own inspirations, the Bible, A Course in Miracles, the Edgar Cayce ARE library readings, the University of Science and Philosophy, otherwise known as the teachings of Dr. Walter and Leo Russell, as well as many, many other illuminates and near-death experiencers that I've studied for years and years. And you may ask, now what's an illuminate? Well, an illuminate is someone whose mind has been bathed or illuminated by a flash or flashes of all-knowing light and love instantaneously. This is done so directly in the presence of our Creator, our God. There have been probably fewer than 75 illuminates since the dawn of man. Only 75 that have picked up knowledge in this manner. And just to name a few, be Moses, Confucius, Krishna, Socrates, Paul of Sources, Plato, and the ultimate illuminate, the Nazarene, Jesus. I stated in the last video that our ultimate goal here on earth is to master unconditional love. For you see, this universe was created and based upon love, which is manifested as life, spirit, or soul. It's within us and all around us. Everything in this universe is alive, although in life forms that common man just isn't quite able to know or understand yet, because we choose to live mostly by our senses and through our senses. And this is unfortunate because our senses are very limited. However, our spirit is unlimited and does allow us to learn and know life in all life forms. So let's decide that this is the time to rely less on our senses and to imagine a new way of thinking and understanding, a new way of looking at life, at the universe. I say new, but it really started for mankind prior to the first inkling of consciousness, because mankind's consciousness is still developing, and it will continue to do so until all of mankind understands, believes, accepts, and lives unconditional love. As mankind evolves from being a slave and dominated by our senses, we can then start living by and through our spirit. We then begin to understand and live balanced giving and re-giving lives, otherwise known as rhythmic balanced interchange or love. This goal will be the pinnacle of human unfoldment. It's also referred to as acquiring cosmic consciousness and Christ consciousness. This new way of life is a life rooted in balanced giving and re-giving, which is the norm for nature. For you see, God as nature always gives and it never takes. What appears to be taking in nature and our catastrophes is really nature cleansing and re-giving itself to the Creator in order to maintain balance. And balance can be instantaneous, or it could take eons to reach. The two greatest and most unavoidable gifts we in nature are given by our creative Father, Mother, also referred to as God, is what seemingly is life and death. Life is the great gift our Father, Mother has given to all of creation, and death is the great gift that creation re-gives to our Father, Mother. And with these processes, creation is eternally resurrecting, equally balancing, and dividing two-way life sequences forever and ever. And like I said, it may sound crazy and like hogwash, but if you stay with me through these videos, I believe you too will start finding the same threads of truth that I have found. So remember, once you master love and forgiveness, peace and happiness become the norm for you, and it results in you having a happy, loving life. Blessings.